Hello, this is Scott with WebClock with another video today. Today we are going to go ahead and show you how an administrator can create a manager's login. And I'm going to start, of course, by logging in as the administrator and clicking on the Admin tab. You then go to Security and Departments, and then to View Supervisors. Now, once you're on View Supervisors, you will see that you have an Add Supervisor link up here. That's the link that you would use for creating admins and also creating managers. So I'm going to create T-Tester as the username for the manager. Now this is, the name field up here is the way the manager will have to actually type their name to be able to log in. It is their username. So if you're making a group manager, you want to say yes here, and then pay attention to this note. After you save the initial record, so after you finish this first screen, you have to come back in and edit the record to add a department or an employee authorization list, and I'll show you how to do that once we've created the group manager. If this is going to be an administrator like yourself with full access to everything, including creating other managers, you would leave this as no, and you would say yes to admin access here. So that is how you would differentiate between a group manager or a supervisor and an administrator. So let me show you the harder way, which is to create a group manager. Now, if this manager can do approvals of time off and time work, then you want to leave this as yes. Everything else, unless you're making a very specific change, would be left to no. Password, put in whatever default password you want, and then the email address for the manager. Any email address that you have for the manager. This is the one that employees' requests will go to when they are set up. So we're ready to save this one by clicking OK. You go back to the list and you will notice that our T-Tester manager is now incomplete. This means there's no group list set and no set of employees set. And if you click on it, it says you must define at least one department in the group list. So I'm going to click on the pencil. And in here now you see you have view or set group list and view and set employee list. Group list, if you're set up that he's managing a department, I'm going to put him over emp demo department. You just click there and choose update department list, either the one on top or the one on bottom. Now, when you view the employee list, you will see that anybody who's already part of that department, the emp demo department, has a mark that says set via group list, should not be set here. This actually allows you, though, the ability to say, okay, so he's over the emp demo department, but John Doe 1027, his actual manager is out today or for the week, and you want him to still be able to get time off requests. That's when you can click people individually, but never set them here if it says they're already set by the group list. So you just choose whoever you want to add, if you want to add anybody, and update that list, and then click OK at the bottom of the screen. So what this has done now is this has actually completed the creation of the manager. That is the creation of a manager, how to add a manager, and how to set them up correctly. As always, if there are any questions, please look in the description below, and you'll have our contact for support, or of course you can always go in here and click help and send a support request form. Thank you again for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day.